Hi children, welcome to the science class. This is the third standard, fifth lesson. The name of the lesson is The World of Birds. The name of the lesson is The World of Bird. First, we will do the warm-up activity. Okay, in the warm-up activity, identify the birds and names them in the provided space. Okay, the first one, ostrich. Second one, duck. Third, peacock. Fourth, parrot. Fifth one, sparrow. Fifth one, owl. Okay, the next checkpoint, choose the correct option. The first one, which kind of feathers are soft and short? Down feathers. Second one, name the bird that has strong and curved beak. That is parrot. Third one, which of the following is an example of flesh-eating bird? That is vulture. Yes, next one more activity. Yes, that is checkpoint. Fill in the blanks. Birds have dash feet and dash toes. The 2 feet and the 4 toes. Second one, home of birds is called nest. Third one, birds have a dash that help them to make sounds. Tongue. Next, we will do the exercise part. Let us start. A. Choose the correct answer. The first one, which of the following do birds use for flying? Wings. Second one, select the bird that has a curved beak for cracking nuts and fruits. Parrot. Third one, the beak of which of the following birds is sticky from inside? The swallow. Third one. Fourth one, which of the following birds has webbed feet? Duck. Okay, the B question, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Okay, in the box there are the 5 words: vulture, ostrich, crane, swan, sparrow. Yes, we have to choose the correct one and fill in the given blank. First one, dash bird has a short and hard beak. Sparrow. Dash uses its beak to tear flesh. Vulture. Third one, dash bird cannot fly. Ostrich. Fourth one, dash bird has long toes that help them to walk in shallow water. That is a crane. Fifth one, dash bird has webbed feet. Swan. Swan. Bird has webbed feet. State true or false. The C question, state true or false. First one, a bird uses its teeth to crush and grind food. False. Second one, flight feathers are mostly found on the wings and tails of a bird. True. Third one, a woodpecker has chisel shaped, sharp and strong beak. True. Fourth one, all birds build nest and live in it. False. Fifth one, baby birds fly away as soon as they hatch out from the eggs. False. The D question, answer the following questions. Short answer questions. The first one, provide two examples for each of the following. A. Birds with strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Eagles, vulture. B. Climbing birds, woodpeckers. C. Wading birds, cranes, herons. Second one, what are talons? Talons are the sharp hooked claw on a bird's feet. The next, long answer questions. The first one, why do birds have hollow bones? Answer, when birds fly, the hollow bones are filled with air that makes the weight of a bird lighter and also help them in flight. Second, differentiate between the upstroke and downstroke movements of the birds. Answer, upstroke. In this kind of movement, the wings of a bird move upward and backward. This way, bird lifts its body while flying. Downstroke. In this kind of movement, the wings of a bird move downward and forward to fly. Third one, describe the different types of feathers that birds have. Answer, body feathers. It covers the body of birds. Their functions is to give shape to its body. Down feathers. These are short, soft and fluffy feathers that grow close to the skin of the birds. These feathers help bird to keep their body warm. Flight feathers. These are found on the wings and tail of birds. Their function is to provide balance to bird during their movement and flight. Okay, next, fourth one. Why do hummingbirds have long slender beak? Answer, hummingbirds make use of their long and slender beaks to suck nectar from flowers. Fifth one, why do ducks have webbed feet? Answer, ducks have webbed feet to help them swim in the water. Sixth one, why do mother birds sit on the eggs that they lay? Answer, the mother bird sits on the eggs for some days and gives them warmth. This helps the baby birds to develop inside the eggs. Okay, E. Solve the crossword. Down. The first one, this is an example of a wading bird. That is crane. C R A N E, crane. C R A N E, crane. Second one, this bird has a short and hard beak. That is sparrow. S P A R R-O-W, sparrow. Third one, this bird is a flesh-eating bird. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Okay, in the across. The fourth one, this bird is a flightless bird. Okay, this bird is a flightless bird. That is penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Fifth one, this bird has a hooked and curved beak used to break open hard fruits and nuts. That is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. The last, this is an example of a perching bird. That is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Okay, the exercise part is completed. Thank you one and all.